In today's video, we are going to show you how you can cancel an order on Vinted. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And for example, you are trying to buy an item for a friend, for a family, to a colleague. Let's say we're going to buy some shoes. I'm interested in this bathing ape. And I want you to click the details of that specific item, and you are interested on purchasing this item. All I have to do is super simple, click the buy now, and of course there should be an option that lets you go to the checkout process. Confirm your address, okay, your phone number, or the payment method if you're going to use a credit or debit card. And of course, click the pay button. Now, once you click the pay button, now your order will be sent to the My Order section. Here you will see all the recent purchase, and that's gonna be the bathing ape sneakers. Now tap on it to open the order details, and of course you need to check the order status. Okay, so this is very important. You can only cancel an order if the seller has not shipped the item yet, or the seller agrees to cancel the order. If the item is already shipped or completed, cancellation won't be available. Alright? Now, of course, you will be asked for a reason for the cancellation and type it in and confirm. If the option isn't available, I need you to go to the seller itself again. You can simply tap the message seller and politely ask them to cancel the order for you. Of course, wait for confirmation, and if the order has been canceled, you would see the item here on the canceled section. The money will be returned to your original payment method or Vinted balance depending on how you paid. Refunds usually take a few business days. Now, if you are having problems canceling an order here in Vinted, all I have to do is go to the support center. You see there is an option here on the top right corner. Type in your question to see if you get an answer from the FAQs. And that's going to be how to cancel the order in Vinted right here. And follow the on-screen instructions. Normally, the contact support will give you guidance on how to cancel your order on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.